Hey guys, I'm Nisa Homey and today I'm sharing a dairy-free and sugar-free mango milk recipe. This vegan mango milk can be enjoyed as a summer snack in your weight loss journey. So let's get started with the recipe. This is 12 to 13 overnight soaked and peeled almonds. Now, the reason why you need to soak and peel the almonds is to release the phytic acid content in the almond, and that also helps in better nutrient absorption along with making it easy to digest. Instead of almonds, you can use cashew nuts. If you're using cashew nuts, make sure you soak it for at least 10 to 15 minutes. I'm adding the almonds into my small chutney grinder. Into this, I'm adding in half cup of water. For added sweetness, I am using dates. If the mangoes you are using is very sweet, you can totally omit adding the dates. Adding dates is entirely optional, but if you are making for kids, I highly recommend you to use dates as needed. If the dates you are using is not soft like mine, you may need to soak it for at least 10 to 15 minutes to make the dates soft and easily blendable in the grinder jar. And now I'm going to blend this until everything is nicely mixed and combined. So basically I'm making a naturally sweetened almond milk. If you don't have dates at hand, you can use any sweetener of your choice like coconut sugar, palm sugar, jaggery powder, or even maple syrup. Try not to use honey, as honey should not be used with very hot and very cold foods. So now I'm going to blend this until everything is nicely mixed and combined. The vegan, dairy-free, naturally sweetened almond milk is ready. So I'm going to transfer this into another cup. You can see how thick and creamy the homemade almond milk is. Now, as you can see, there are some residue in the chutney grinder. So I'm adding in about a tablespoon of water. And I'm just washing down the residue into the cup. So this way you can make sure that there are no wastage. I'm using a medium-sized Alfonso mango. I'll be using around 100 to 150 grams of mango. I'm making small gashes in the mango itself with a knife. And with a spoon, I'm scooping out the mango pieces. Add the scooped mango pieces into the serving glass. I'm going to take one slice from the other side of the mango, make gashes in the mango, and then scoop the mango pieces into the serving glass. With a muddler or with the back of a spoon, I'm mashing the mango pieces. Next, I'm filling the glass with ice cubes. Pour the prepared homemade almond milk over it. Top it with some mango cubes. And my super healthy, dairy-free and vegan mango milk is ready to serve. So guys, do try this healthy mango milk and let me know how it turned out. Thank you for watching, and until next time, take care. Bye-bye.